Ryan and Kelly and the entire Team LaFontaine, I'm so excited to be here. I'm Dr. Greg Yanik from the University of Michigan Medical Center, and I've been a faithful supporter of Ryan and Kelly's cause and the entire Team LaFontaine's cause over the past decade. And to everybody out there that's in the audience today, I don't think you could appreciate how much this means to all of us. People that are on the front lines, us as individuals who are taking care of patients with cancer, us who are doing basic cancer research to bring new treatments to the forefront. And I don't think you can realize how proud we are of the work that's done in this state, not only at the University of Michigan, but at other cancer research centers within this state. But I don't think you can actually really appreciate how proud we are of Team LaFontaine, of Ryan and Kelly's efforts over the past decade. Each year, over 50,000 people in the state of Michigan will be diagnosed with cancer. And sadly, over 20,000 of those 50,000 will die. That tells you how far we have to go. Not just us as oncologists, but all of you working together with Team LaFontaine, with Kelly and Ryan's help. We can do this. You know, cancer takes no holidays. It doesn't care when it strikes. It doesn't care the age it strikes, young or old. In this state, over 200 children this year will be diagnosed with cancer. And I don't think you actually even appreciate sometimes the impact, the downstream impact that cancer has, the collateral damage it causes. We just had a family last week, or I should say last month, at our center who was in the hospital for a bone marrow transplant. When you go through a bone marrow transplant, it's not just a singular event, it's a process. The child or the patient is in the hospital for an extended period of time. Invariably, the father will give up his job to be with his son or daughter. The mother will give up her job to be with her son and daughter. Everybody in the entire family chips in. The child themselves or the adult will lose schooling. Our family that we saw in the past month, at the time of discharge, said, Dr. Yanik, we can't even go home. We don't have a home to go to. Because of the lost wages, because of the financial hardship, the social hardships, we lost our home during our child's bone marrow transplant. So the collateral damage that cancer causes goes far beyond just whether your son, your daughter, your husband, your wife will go into remission or not. It impacts us deeply. It impacts the core of us. It impacts every facet of our family life. With the UCanCerVive campaign, with the Partnership for Angels of Hope, and with all of you out there, we can beat cancer. We can help these families. We can help our researchers. Please do everything you can to give to Team LaFontaine and the Angels of Hope support for this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Yanik, for all that you do at Mott Children's Hospital. You truly are an inspiration and you make a difference in the world of cancer. And that's what we're all about, making a difference in the world of cancer. We want to thank you and all of our supporters to rally behind us and make sure that we paid it forward and made a difference in that world of cancer.
That's right. You can survive. It's what it's all about. And that's what I'm sitting here in front of you, grateful to be 7 years in full cancer remission. I'm proud to say that. And it's been a lot of unselfish people before us that have raised money and raised the cure rate of cancer. And we need to do that as well. This year, my family was impacted by cancer again. My father, he went through his cancer battle as well. But I'm proud to say that he sits here 1 year in almost full remission. It impacts us all in one way, shape, or form, whether it's people we know, family members, loved ones, or just friends, or ourselves. We need to give back. That's what UCanCerVive is all about. Is every year we dig deep, we check our gut, and we fuel our passion each and every year by everyone that rallies behind us and gives back to our cause. We're very proud of the difference we're making in here in Michigan and the 10 different research grants we already have going, and we want to continually raise more and more awareness for cancer and raise the cure rate, because together we can make a difference. So I ask every one of you to remember that. Remember what this is all about. Remember why we're doing it. Is so more people are not affected by cancer. And we need each and every one of you to make that impact. So together we can survive. You can survive is what it's all about. Thank you for all that you do for us. And thank you for giving back to the world of cancer.